Have you ever seen a Boston Whaler 280 Outrage powered with the white Mercury Verado 350s? Jade stone green hull color. What a beautiful boat. If you want one of the fastest boats in the Boston Whaler lineup, you need to come and check this puppy out. This is one of our hot deals. 2018. Look at the lines on this sucker. Full glass windshield with hydraulic vent. Got the hard top, windlass anchor. What a beautiful boat. Great size for the family, offshore fishing. Come see us, Marinemax, Panama City Beach. Ask for Jay. 2018 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage, twin 350s.